Alright, coming up to France now. We have the Creme de Brie Petite Pain. We're probably going to try that. That sounds pretty good. Walking along the back of France here. And look, Ratatouille. It now doesn't have walls. It just has a wall of plants. Which means this is getting ready to open real soon. I don't know, anybody else looking forward to this? Because I sure am. Alright, so we have the bread bowl brie cheese. Doesn't look like there's too much to it. It looks pretty basic and simple. How is it? You've taken a bite?
Yeah, I've already taken a bite.
The cheese is good?
Cheese is good.
Okay. Mind if I have the bread?
You can have the bread.
Thank you.
The bread in the cheese.
Yeah. Get a little dip there.
It's a hard bread.
Yeah, but it's still very good. Yeah, this is worth it. Alright, back at the Verbranti Vivida. I give up on these names. Alright, the chilled seafood cocktail. We saw photos of it. It looks really good. But the blue corn pupusa. That's the treat for the stamp. We're a little hesitant on that. We're gonna get one and try it. Alright, check this out. This is the passion fruit mousse with, I guess that's the dragon fruit jam. And this is the blue corn pupusa. I don't know how this qualifies as a treat. Yeah, there's the blue corn way in the back there. This looks like it's interesting. We only got one in case it's spicy. That way I can finish it and Alicia's good without. Oh, look at that.
It's like a raspberry.
Ooh, raspberry. All right, so let's just dig into the meat here. Oh wow, look at that. Hey, what's the pink stuff?
That was the coleslaw.
That's the coleslaw? Well, let's get some more coleslaw in there then. All right, here we go. I'm gonna keep this because that does have a little bit of a kick. Any spice at all you can't handle.
Right.
And that has something I would qualify as any spice. It's very good though.
A little more than just a little?
Yeah, a little more, and you would be in a foul mood after eating this. Not me. I'm happy. This is perfect. I love it.
So that ends up. That's mine.
Yep, all you. There you go. I'm gonna tell you what. I am mesmerized by this blue corn thing. It's amazing. It tastes a lot like a super thick corn tortilla. That's the best way I can put it. Again, back in, I guess we like to call one of our favorite pockets at all of Epcot, and that's over in the side area of Morocco. The restaurant is further on that way, but I love this little area right here. Good timing, cavalcade's going by. All right, Alicia, you got yourself the orange cake.
That passion cake was better.
Yo, you like the passion fruit cake better?
The passion fruit mousse,
I didn't really have much of a problem with this. I thought it was pretty good. But you like the other thing better, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair. Last time I was here, I did get the lamb, but I didn't taste it. I gave it to Chris as a gift, and I got another blackberry because why not? I'm not even gonna bother trying to cut it. That's the bone end. Oh my god, that sauce is really good. Oh, that is so good. This might be our citrus chicken for this festival. All right, next stop, Japan. So we're gonna try the Stone Garden, which is a red bean mousse with all kinds of good stuff, it looks like. And just for the heck of it, I'm gonna try Pink Snow, which is sake and peach schnapps, and it looks like a big old girly drink, but I'm gonna try it and love it. All right, this is wild. This is a personalized sake cup that they wrote my name, and wow, it's such a great touch. I'm absolutely in love with this. Over here, this is the Pink Snow, which is a peach sake schnapps. And over here is the Pebble, the Stone Garden ice cream. So I guess maybe we take a bite of ice cream, then we sprinkle this on. But it's all, they say it's all edible, and it does look like rocks. Holy cow. Check out the formation that Alicia did for our rock garden, pebble garden. All edible. You did a really good job, hon. You know, you might be watching this and you might be saying, geez, Bob, you sure eat a lot at Epcot. And I would say you're absolutely 100% correct. I do eat a lot at Epcot, to the point where I'm pretty much full. We're only halfway through World Showcase right now. There you go. A lot of people forget that Dumbo started in the state of Florida. And that's where the movie starts. Of course, at the time when it was made, there was no Walt Disney World. It was just Miami. And there were a lot of circuses in Florida. I saw yesterday that Donald was missing from the finale, kind of like how Jose was missing a couple months back for a while. I wonder if he's back today or if this is like an ongoing thing. Here's the Viva Donald float with, you never noticed that the bongos down here form a hidden Mickey. But let's take a look. Ay, ay, ay. No Donald. They've completely removed everything, even the little memorial for him. But if you listen, you can hear him still. A very loud cavalcade just came on by, and we got all of our stamps, including the blue smeary looking one. I really can't identify any of these. Well, you see that last one, that's got a nice little stamp on it, and that is what you end up getting. It's a colorful cuisine cookie. I'm not sure if it changes throughout the festival or if this is what, you know, you're stuck with. What does it look like? It looks like a sugar cookie.
Yeah, that's a sugar
regular
cookie.
Sugar cookie with icing on it. It's pretty basic, pretty simple. You know what, for its price, it's pretty good. You know, it's kind of funny, you see these QR codes on here. Man, that music is really loud. But we were thinking, meet the artist, where you could scan this QR code, and here, I'll let you. There you go. Just pause the video and get the scan. The funny thing is as of Friday, that website that it takes you to wasn't working. It said coming soon. So I haven't checked it today. Maybe it's okay. Now the music stopped. I think it might be working as of today, now that the first day is over with. I would hope so. Go ahead and check it out for yourself if you're interested. All right, let's take a quick gander at some of the, ow, just scraped my knee. Oh, that hurt right on the edge of that thing. Let's see. Wow. Now, if you're wondering if these wash away in the rain, they do. They try to put tarp up to protect them, but obviously they can't always get to them. Well, that's a nice mini. Oh, I like this.
Lee does a great job.
Yeah, Lee has been here for a number of years and does really good work. This one is really fresh, like probably done the last day or so. When I came here on Friday, that's what they were working on, this giant ice horse. Let's get a better perspective from the other side. All right, so the trick is you step on this mark, and then whoever wants to pose stands on that rock there, and you can see, yeah, oh yeah, you can see little footprints on the rock where to stand, and it makes it look like you're petting the horse. Are you going in?
From this angle?
Yeah.
It just looks really
Oh yeah, from that angle it probably looks wicked weird. But I can tell you that I saw Nate starting to paint this on Friday. And yes, paint. Most of this is using paint with brushes. And not all of it is chalk. A lot of it is chalk. But let's see. When you stand over here,
you got it, but...
yeah, you can see how the angle gets all warped. So it's a cool visual effect. Here's some more work by Lee. one's nice.
Good, the guinea pig has a leaf on his head.
Oh. I don't think he drew that. Or Bruin. I don't think Bruin designed it like that. Because, wow. This one is impressive. I like this one. That's by Rock. This owl looks really good. I think the mother and daughter. And you can see it looks like an Italian bistro, or I'm not quite sure from here, but see him hard at work. Who is this? Is this another Bruin?
Bryn.
Bruno? Bryn? Is that an O at the end? I'm not sure.
I don't think so. I think that just...
Somebody help me. Either way, this one is beautiful. Looks like some water is already splashed up on it. I'm not sure if that's by design or nature has done that for him.
I think nature has... This one cuts it out.
Oh yeah. These must have been done over the weekend. They had some overnight dew. Because yeah, this one's really faded. Oh, that's a shame. Because, well, you know, they'll just come in like in another day with a... wash it all off and then redo a whole new one all over again.
This one you can't even see the words.
Well, you can still make out what it is. But you can see how the water ran. And it's not a trip to Epcot unless we get on Spaceship Earth. If you enjoyed these videos, please do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe. YouTube is, well, YouTube is YouTube. If I get enough likes, enough subscribers, enough views, enough whatever, I can prevent it from burning like the library in Rome. Ah, it smells like hickory in here. We're frozen in 1969.
We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Well, so this is why we're called Skipper Ball's Breakdowns, because we're broken down. At least we didn't get stuck in the burning of Alexandria, just getting blasted with that smell over and over and over and over again.
It'd be interesting if in 1969 they blasted in popcorn or something.
Remain seated, please. Our travel
Okay, it was a short breakdown.
Art store was right.
Oh yeah, the Disney Art of Magic or something like that was that store, and this is where Innovations and Club Cool was further over there. They've made some progress, but it looks like everything's halted for a little while. Hey guys, I want to thank you for joining in, and maybe right in front of the fountain wasn't a good spot. It's really noisy here. Let's go that way. Tram's still not working. I have no idea when those are gonna, well, probably when all of COVID is over with. That's my best guess. Shame the monorails still aren't working either. Holy cow. A little car like that, you need preferred parking. You'll never find it. I've seen roller skates bigger than this. What is this, a Ford Spec? Alright guys, so that, of course, is going to do it. Thank you so much for joining in. I really appreciate it. She appreciates it too. There she is. So as we're going through the hunt to find our car, let me just ask one last time. Please go ahead, subscribe, and what do they need to do?
Like.
That would be so cool if you did. I'd appreciate it. It makes my life, it makes me happy. We all want happy Bob, don't we? Don't we?
Yes.
Yeah. Make her happy too. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead, share the video if you want, and I'll see you next time. I don't know what we only did half of Art Festival today. Maybe we'll do the other half next time. We'll see. I'm not getting sick of Epcot yet. Getting there. Not yet.